Hi everyone, I'm Ananya.
And I'm Arav. Welcome back to Smart English.
Today we're diving into something powerful, a simple 10-minute English routine that can completely change the way you learn.
If you feel busy, if you feel unsure where to start, or if you've been learning English but still hesitate while speaking, then today's episode is exactly for you.
Segment 1. Why a 10-minute routine works.
Many learners believe English requires long study hours, but that's not true. A simple 10-minute daily routine can transform your fluency.
Your brain learns faster in short, consistent sessions. Today we'll give you a calm, simple routine you can follow every day, at home, at work, anywhere.
Segment 2. The 10-minute plan.
Minute 1 to 2. Calm listening.
Start with listening. Play a short English clip, maybe a podcast, a movie scene, or a YouTube shot. Don't try to understand every word. Just let the sound enter your mind.
This relaxes your brain and slowly builds a natural sense of rhythm.
Minute 3 to 4. Repeat what you hear, shadowing.
Now choose 1 or 2 sentences from what you heard. Repeat them softly, not loudly, just gently.
Shadowing trains pronunciation, speed, and confidence without any complicated rules.
Minute 5 to 6. Daily English description.
Next, describe whatever is around you. For example, I am sitting on my bed. I am listening to a podcast. I am feeling relaxed.
This simple activity makes your brain think in English instead of translating from your mother tongue.
Minute 7 to 8. Vocabulary check. Just 3 words.
For example, instead, beside, uncomfortable.
Say them in your own sentence. I sat beside my friend. I was uncomfortable yesterday. That's it. Small but powerful.
Minute 9. Speak about your day.
Now speak for 1 minute about your day. Anything simple. Your morning, your work, your mood.
Don't worry about grammar. Just express yourself. This builds real confidence.
Minute 10. Mindset reset.
End with a calm sentence. I am improving every day.
Your mind listens to your voice, so speak to yourself with kindness.
Segment 3. Why this routine works.
Because it trains every part of your English. Listening, speaking, thinking, vocabulary.
And it takes only 10 minutes, but the effect stays with you the whole day.
Segment 4. Final thoughts.
If you follow this routine for just 7 days, you will feel lighter, clearer, more fluent.
Small steps done daily create big changes.
Thank you for joining this peaceful session of Smart English.
In the next episode, we will talk about simple grammar you must know without rules.
Until then, practice gently, practice consistently, and stay connected with Smart English where learning feels smart and simple.